Climate change is no longer a distant manifestation, but is real and imminent. Unsustainable growth and development have placed Mother Earth in deep stress. Under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India has demonstrated successfully that development and environmental stewardship can advance in tandem. India's emission intensity has declined by over 36% since 2005. India's non-fossil fuel-based energy capacity, currently around 256 gigawatt, accounts for more than half of its total electric installed capacity. An NDC target achieved 5 years ahead of this schedule. Initiatives such as the International Solar Alliance and Global Biofuel Alliance have become global platform for performing affordable and clean energy. Our newly launched nuclear mission and green hydrogen mission further accelerate our journey towards net zero by 2070. We shall be declaring our revised NDCs till 2035 and also the first biennial transparency report. In line with the objective of Paris Agreement regarding conservation and development of carbon sink and reservoirs, 2 billion plants were planted under the community-led initiative in just 16 months. It is indeed a testament to the power of collective climate actions. Excellencies, in the same spirit, developed countries must reach net zero for earlier than current target dates, fulfill their obligation under Article 9.1 of the Paris Agreement, and deliver new, additional, and concessional climate finance estimated to be in trillions of dollars. Means of implementation must be adequate, accessible, affordable, and free from restrictive intellectual property barriers. Let the global community remember this COP as a COP of implementation and a COP of delivery on promises. As we look ahead, let the coming decade to be one of the implementation of resilience and shared responsibility, a decade that unites the world in the spirit of one earth, one family, one future. Thank you.